Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified. I'm back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually connect your social club account with your PSN, so your PlayStation Network account. It's very easy and I'm going to show you how to actually do it. The first thing that you want to do is open up and log into your social club account on your Rockstar Games launcher. Now from there you go to the settings, and as you can see there is no option to link your accounts. Now the only thing that you want to do is go to the top right here, go to manage account, and once you manage account your browser will pop up and all you have to do is log into your existing account. Now from there you go to linked accounts, and as you can see here is the option to link your PlayStation Network account to your Rockstar Social Club account. And as you can see, it will take you to the page where you simply sign in to PlayStation, and that's it. It's very easy. If you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will try my very best to help you. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.